What's good, y'all? It's your boy Frank Take Fitness, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, man. We back at it with another fitness video. And today, I was kind of juggling in between what workouts I wanted to do. The last few workout videos that y'all saw, I did a couple leg workouts. I did one solo, and then I did one with my boy D. So this time, we're going to switch it up a bit. We're going to go triceps today. So this exercise is going to entail a lot of like tricep work. It's mainly going to be a lot of push exercises to really like help improve on your bench and the push-ups as well. So we got about 6 exercises we're going to do, 3 sets, 10, 12 reps, things of that nature. Man, it's going to be a lit, fun workout. They're going to learn. We're going to do the work. We're going to do everything, man. Hey, man, we about 19, 20 subscribers away from our goal. We're getting 700 subscribers. Then we're going to be growing fast. Keep working, keep grinding, man. Appreciate all the love and support I get on the YouTube platform. I know I ain't been consistent on the YouTube. I just been dealing with a lot of personal stuff right now, but we about to go to another level. We're going to be moving up. We're going to be working hard, and we just going to be on the better things. So in the meantime, in between time, I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Let's get to it. Fight!
Shoot down Tabari. Shoot down Tabari. Shoot down Tabari. Shoot down Tabari. Bitch! Fuck, nigga! Let's go!
And I forgot to tell y'all, man, we are back up here at 614 Fitness, bro. I ain't been up here in a while. I'm going to try to see if they got any classes coming so that way I can come back and start doing some group workouts, man. I know they miss me. I miss them. So, man, hopefully I'll see y'all soon. So today's workout, we're going to do some skull crushers with the bar. Then we're going to do some dumbbell skull crushers as well. Then we're going to do some tricep press downs. And then we're going to do some single arm press downs. And then we're going to do some close grip chest press. Then we're going to do close grip push-ups. And then I'm going to do some, then I might do some push chair dips on the bench too as well. So this is going to be a fun video, man. Stay tuned, bro. Let's get to it. Yes, sir. That's set 1. That's it. All work, all business. So triceps is one of them underrated exercises that most people tend to neglect because they all like infatuated with bench. Like it actually helps with bench as you're pushing. So when you get that push, it also helps with the shoulders as you benching too. So as you like bringing that weight down, it's easier on the way to get back up. And as you're pushing on the way back up, you're also using your triceps for the extension. So that's also I say you always imperative to work on those triceps to get a better bench. So, you know, like I said, it's one of the most underrated exercises, in which why I have a horseshoe right here. You know, Jim, he always call it out. So shout out to Jim. We'll talk soon. So let's get back to it. Sir. Ooh. Yeah. Let's go, man. Hey, we working over here, man. My arms are a little sore. They're getting swole. I'm looking good. Man, we on to the next workout. All right, y'all, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked that video, man. I'm tired, man. I had a league game yesterday. Y'all will see some highlights coming from that very soon. I'm definitely gonna record some games as well. Right now we 0-3 right now, so I can't really display like the winning side or anything because we haven't won nothing, and it sucks, you know, because I'm running with the average Joe. So we got our own squad. We in this 6 foot and under league, and then them games get intense, man. I was trash talking myself, and man, we just gotta hopefully, you know, we pull it together and win as a team, man. That's what's killing us, is defense. I've been balling. Y'all gonna definitely see highlights of that very soon. Shout out to Chris, if he watched this video in the 6 foot under league, for putting it all together, man. Greatly appreciate it. Shout out to J-Rock, man. Hopefully we'll do some content together soon. He's been chopping it up with me, telling me what I need to do, telling me what I need to work on, things of that nature. But in the meantime, in between times, I said before, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Man, like I said before, Jim, if you watch this video, we'll talk soon. But when we are in fear, we will always persevere. It's your boy Frank Tate Fitness signing out. Please give me the 700 subscribers and let's get to 1,000. I know y'all watch my videos, man. I know y'all do. I know y'all check me out. Y'all know about me. Y'all tapped into me. Bruh, stop playing games and hit that subscribe button, man. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to get out of these jobs, man. I want to be a full-time content creator. So please, man, support your boy. That's all I gotta say. We out. Peace.